Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have a new spoiler for the BoxyCharm Premium box for January. So if you're excited for this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss none of these spoilers. Alright guys, and before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video. Woo! Which was a really hard video to make. It was called Why I Unsubscribed from Toddy. So congratulations, Tony Rutherford. Tony says, first, Merry Christmas to you and your family. Well, thank you so much, Tony. I really appreciate that, honey. And I hope you and your family have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I really appreciate you supporting my channel. Honey, thank you so much. I love you, girl. If yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so we're just going to go ahead and dive into this madness. So first of all, I'm going to show you the first 2 things that have already been revealed, and then I'm going to show you the new one. So the first thing is the Too Faced Palm Springs palette. You can either get that or the Too Faced Sugar Peach palette. Now, 2 choice items, and I think there was another one. I'm not sure. If you have already chosen which palette you're getting, let us know in the comments which one did you pick. And now for the new one. The new one is the Farsali Liquid Glass Radiant Skin Serum. Now, this was just revealed yesterday. I should have had this video up last night. Y'all know me. I'm lazy. So, it's going up today. But anyways, as soon as they reveal any more, of course, you know I'm going to keep you updated. I've got to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below. And guys, for anybody asking, I've had a lot of questions asking where the Ipsy spoilers are. Well, y'all, I can't answer that. I don't know what's going on over there, but I'm about to put a video out to see what the hell's happening over there in the Ipsy headquarters. Somebody's slacking on their job or something. But anyways, let's read the comment that I picked in my last video. Guys, I got 2 comments I wanted to read because you know what? I don't want to be one that always reads good comments. And you know, my last video I put up was, you know, kind of controversial. I don't even know how to say the damn word. But anyways, I'm going to read 2 comments. One of them's bad and one of them's not bad. Anyways, the first one. Congratulations, Nora Rodriguez. Nora says, I love your videos and love how real you are. Well, thank you so much, Nora. I really appreciate that. You know, it was just something weighing on my heart, and I just had to get it out. You know, it's all opinions. That's all it is. And I really appreciate you supporting my channel, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. Now, the next one is Tabitha Mayfield. Tabitha says, someone's jealous. Well, Tabitha, that's why I wanted to address this one because, you know, I've had there was a few of them saying I'm jealous. And I just want to say that I am genuinely happy for anybody who starts their own brand and is successful at it. But, you know, I've got opinions just like everybody else, and I feel like, you know, if you're going to be successful at it, you also have to at least show that you care about your subscribers as well. You know, don't take an opportunity in every single video to promote your brand. You know, that's all I'm saying. If you're going to be successful, if you're going to be big and famous and all that stuff, do it the right way. And that's why I wanted to put this comment in here. So thank you, Tabitha, so much for watching my video. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift. So you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You could only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement. But it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell is set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all the spoilers. I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you want to put a face to the voice, check them out, y'all. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.